I was asked a great question just about 5 minutes ago about how to answer this kind of question. Now, if you're struggling with this kind of thing and you urgently want to know, that's fine, email me, but also it would be beneficial if you could, first of all, drop it on the shared document, but I'm going to explain exactly how to do it. So what we need to do is organise the x's. Now, the unusual thing about these x's is that they're both negative. So the first question we need to ask ourselves is which x is the biggest? Because these are negative, some of you may need to think about a little bit more carefully which x is the biggest. Now, I'm going to tell you that if they're both negative, it's the number which is got the smallest numerical value, i.e. minus 11 is closer to 0 than minus 16, and therefore it is the biggest. So this means we are going to organise the x's on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side we are going to put the numbers. So, first of all, I always move the x which is in the wrong place. So the first step I'm going to do is plus 16x to both sides. Once we plus 16x to both sides, we're going to get the following. 5x minus 6 equals minus 66. Now this is looking a lot more manageable. Now we need to get rid of the number on the left-hand side because that's in the wrong place. So we are going to add 6 to both sides. And what we will get as a result is the following. 5x is equal to minus 60. And then to isolate x on its own, as we've been doing time and time again, we need to eliminate the numerical value in front of the x because it is not a 1. So minus 60 divided by 5 will always give you a negative number because it's a negative divided by a positive. So negative divided by a positive is going to give us 12, but it's not just 12, it's going to be minus 12.